Hi, I'm taking this video to show the quality of a Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro. I'm not sure how long ago I bought it, but it does say 3-year limited warranty, and I've checked on the internet, and it's limited to $75 of I don't know. Well, I just want to show you something. This is what my Bissell looks like at the moment, because I completely had to take it completely apart because it didn't want to know nothing about running. I barely used it maybe 4 times since I bought it. Might be about close to 2 years. And at the end of it all, it was on this motherboard here that there was a soldered on fuse that blew. Now I replaced it by a clip-on, but then again, should I do that? Because what happens if it happens again? Which I am now going to be replacing this fuse with a wires, and I'm going to find a spot on the machine to put a fuse holder so that I can eventually change it whenever I want. But you see, I took apart everything, because I tried to see if there was anywhere where there was no continuity in any kind of wire on the motors, on the anything. And thank God I know a bit about electronics. And as soon as I put a fuse in, boom, it worked. But this is one hell of a job, and I doubt it very much any engineer from or any technician from Bissell would have done this, and $75 would definitely not have covered it. I also went to the pain of taking apart the handle, thinking that the switches had a problem. Um, I put it back now. Um, I already, when I first got it, had to ask for a new bottle for the soap, because mine was leaking where these two rubbers are. And right now, this one here is also very loose. It barely holds. It doesn't, look, I mean, look how easy it is to move it. So quality control is, I don't know. Uh, yes, it is something that is a product that is good in the sense that it does two things at the same time. But I don't know. Can you understand that I would have to take apart this machine if that fuse ever blows again? So I'm going to have to modify it. Um, Personally, I think Bissell should rework their machines and well, uh, being really optimistic, I think they should replace this machine for me. I'm putting this on YouTube for everyone to see, and definitely I believe that they'll end up seeing it. Um, and I'll make another video as soon as I put the exterior fuse holder, because I'm not going to do this again. And we'll hope that maybe Bissell will come through and replace it. I mean, look, everything looks practically new. Look at the interiors. There's nothing old looking about the machine. Which, like I say, I use it maybe 3 or 4 times. And even though this is a big house, we are only 2 people living here, and I only do major areas with this, and I've only done it 3 or 4 times. Anyways, thank you, and I'll keep you updated when I put a fuse holder and where I find a place to do it, and hopefully nobody else has this problem. Uh, like I said, just thank God I have a bit of electronics experience. Now let's hope I can put it back together without having too many problems. The only good thing I can say about it is that all the screws are all the same size. So that's going to be easy. What's going to be hard is finding every single hole, because believe me, there's a hell of a lot of them. Thank you.